To perform the hand release push-up, get your body in the push-up position with your feet on the ground and your hands shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself all the way to the ground and lay on the floor as you pull your hands off and squeeze your back behind you. Then, with all of your momentum gone, push yourself back up to the push-up position. If your core muscles are not strong enough to keep you in line through the entire movement, it's okay to push your upper body up first and let your lower body follow. If you still need a regression from there, it is also okay to modify the movement by dropping to your knees, keeping your butt down, and performing the full range of motion for the hand release push-up, complete with good form through all repetitions. This exercise is called the hand release push-up. It's an excellent exercise to teach your body the full range of motion in the push-up exercise, but also to give yourself a little grace on the way up. Let's get started.